We're so grateful to be here today with our partners from the Milwaukee Bucks. We've been partnering with them for many, many years in the interests of fire safety, specifically aimed at people who may not have proper smoke detection in their house. Part of the Milwaukee Fire Department's aim is prevention and providing early alert in the accidental case of fire.
You can talk on it, everybody can hear what you're saying outside in the public though.
Oh, really? How? Giannis. Well, I got two jobs. From 8 to 2, I was a basketball player. From 2 to until now, I'm a chief, I'm a fireman. It's a big honor. Met some people, gave them some smoke detectors, and most of them didn't have one, so I installed myself brand new ones, and so this way they're going to be safe next 10 years. So these smoke detectors are guaranteed that it's going to be working for 10 years.
It's the first time I've done it, putting smoke detectors up, but it's fun to be around the neighborhood, talk to the little kids and the family, so it was good.